So let's get into how you make a bird feeder stand. There's the piece of 3/4 inch conduit. So you'll need 2 pieces. This is the first piece. We actually dug a hole 2 feet, buried the pipe, mixed it with some concrete, covered that up, make it really, really secure. We actually had it about 7 feet out of the ground. You wouldn't have to have it quite that tall. We just wanted to make sure it was squirrel proof, deer proof as well. So there's where your top piece is going to attach to. But the first thing you want to do is just make sure it's level on both sides before you add your top piece of conduit. Once it's level, you want to add your squirrel baffle. The first step is to add the clamp. Now that we have the clamp secured, we're just going to add the baffle. Just slide it over the top of the pole. Now this is going to ensure that the squirrel can't reach your feeders. He won't be able to climb up from below, and if he should land on top, he will just slide off. So now we've got the squirrel proof part down. Next step is to add the top part of your pole of the conduit. Once we attached the 1x6 board to the pole with the clamps, we're going to add the top piece. Attach it to the board with 3 screws, making it very secure. Next, we drilled 4 holes for our feeders. We actually added some copper wire in case your feeder doesn't have a way to attach to the pole. In this case, this one did. It was able to attach there. We didn't need the wire. But on the other feeder, we did. So we actually could loop it onto that little piece of copper wire. So we have 4 holes just to balance it out. You could add a suet feeder if you'd like. There you have it. This one's about 7 feet tall to prevent the deer from getting to the feeders, but there you have it. Thanks so much for watching DIY Ideas.